Car night vision dash cameras ensure clear low-light recording, enhance road safety, and provide reliable evidence during nighttime accidents. Today's video is about top 5 best car night vision dash cameras that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AFFVER 4K dashcam front and rear. The AFFVER 4K plus 1080p dual dashcam delivers a powerful blend of clarity, safety, and smart connectivity for modern drivers. With 4K UHD front recording and a 1080p rear camera, both equipped with wide-angle lenses, it captures detailed, cinematic footage that is especially useful for accident evidence and insurance claims. The inclusion of 5 GHz Wi-Fi and a dedicated app ensures fast video transfers with minimal lag, while built-in GPS accurately logs speed, routes, and location data for complete driving records. Its 3.59-inch IPS screen offers a bright and user-friendly interface, and the compact low-profile design keeps your windshield uncluttered. Key safety features like loop recording and a 3-axis G-sensor automatically protect important footage during collisions. The 24-hour parking mode adds extra security when the vehicle is off, while Super Night Vision ensures clear recording even in low-light conditions. With a 64GB card included, easy installation, and a 12-month warranty, this dashcam provides excellent value and reliable all-round protection for everyday driving. Now our second product is Galphi dash camera for cars. The Galphi 4K 2160p dashcam offers reliable, high-quality driving protection with a strong focus on clarity and simplicity. Its 4K UHD front recording combined with a 160 degrees wide-angle lens captures detailed, cinematic footage, making it ideal for family drivers, rideshare users, and anyone needing solid evidence for insurance claims or road incidents. One of its standout features is the advanced 5 GHz Wi-Fi with app support, enabling fast video downloads up to 8 MB per second, significantly reducing transfer time compared to standard 2.4 GHz connections. The screen-free design is another major advantage, helping drivers stay fully focused on the road without unnecessary distractions. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly thanks to its compact design and clear instructions. Essential safety features include loop recording, a G-sensor that locks important collision footage, and a 24-hour parking mode, requires separate hardwire kit, for continuous vehicle security. Super Night Vision with f/1.6 aperture and WDR ensures clear recording in low light. With a pre-installed 64GB card and support up to 256GB, it's a practical, well-rounded dashcam solution. Our third product is IIWEY left-right dash camera for cars. The IIWEY N5 dash cam is a powerful 360 degrees all-around recording system designed for drivers who want complete vehicle coverage and strong evidence protection. It features 4 FHD 1080p cameras, or a flexible 2.5K plus 1080p multi-mode setup, that capture the front, rear, sides, and interior, supported by ultra-wide viewing angles for maximum visibility on the road. A key highlight is the included 128GB SD card, along with seamless loop recording that ensures continuous capture without missing footage. The built-in G-sensor automatically locks important clips during impacts, protecting them from being overwritten. For parking security, it offers 2 modes, time-lapse and impact detection, though a hardwire kit is required for full parking functionality. The N5 uses a supercapacitor instead of a battery, making it highly durable in extreme temperatures and safer for long-term use. It also includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi with app control for fast video access and sharing, although setup requires manual Wi-Fi activation. With adjustable mounting angles, easy installation, and a 12-month warranty, it's a reliable all-in-one dashcam solution for full vehicle protection. Now number 4, Vantrue front rear inside dashcam for cars. The Vantrue N4S 3-channel dashcam is a premium all-in-one solution built for drivers who need complete 360 degrees protection and ultra-clear recording. With a triple Starvis 2 sensor setup, it captures 2.7K front, 1440p interior, and 1440p rear video, delivering sharp, detailed footage with excellent color accuracy. Its wide-angle lenses effectively reduce blind spots, making it especially useful for Uber, Lyft, and daily commuters. One of its strongest features is advanced night vision 4.0 with HDR and plate pix technology, which significantly enhances low-light clarity and improves license plate visibility even in harsh nighttime conditions. The supercapacitor design ensures stable performance in extreme temperatures, improving durability and safety over traditional battery systems. Installation is simple thanks to the magnetic GPS mount and cable management accessories, while the 360 degrees rotating rear camera adds flexible monitoring for both road and cabin use. Smart 24/7 parking modes provide reliable vehicle protection when parked. With fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, up to 1 TB storage support, quad GPS tracking, and OTA updates, the N4S stands out as a powerful, future-ready dashcam with strong long-term value. And our last choice is HUPEJOS 4K dash camera for cars. The HUPEJOS V8 Ultra 5-channel dash cam delivers exceptional 360 degrees full vehicle protection with its advanced multi-camera setup. Featuring ultra-wide 150 degrees lenses across 5 adjustable channels, it records the front, cabin, sides, and rear simultaneously. With multiple resolution options up to 4K, users can balance clarity and storage needs depending on driving conditions. A standout feature is its dual rear camera system that monitors both the back seats and trunk area, making it ideal for families, ride-share drivers, and anyone needing interior and cargo security. The built-in AI driver monitoring system adds an extra layer of safety by detecting fatigue, distraction, phone use, and other risky behaviors in real time. The dashcam supports seamless loop recording and a G-sensor that automatically locks collision footage for reliable evidence. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, users can easily access videos, track routes, and share driving data when needed. Night performance is enhanced by IR lights, glass lens structure, and CPL filter for clearer low-light recording. Additional features like 24/7 parking mode and voice control make it a highly intelligent and complete surveillance solution for modern drivers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.